Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your motto on the Disney Speedstorm game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Disney Speedstorm on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can immediately start playing by using the play button. However, if you wish to change your motto, then tap on your username at the top left corner, which will take you into the profile page. Now from this page, in order to change your motto, which is shown underneath your username, tap on the edit info button. Now first of all, you will end up within the username page, but you can tap on motto from the top section, and now you will be able to see all of the mottos that you have unlocked, as well as those you can unlock by progressing further within the game. Just tap on whichever motto you wish to equip, and once you see a tick mark above this has now been selected as your active one. You can go back, and now your chosen motto will be shown within your profile as well. After this, your motto will also be visible within your race. You can change this at any point of time in the future by following the same steps. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your motto on the Disney Speedstorm game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.